Hello everybody, hi minis, how are you all? I am Miss Penny from Marengo-Union Library and we are here to do a messy craft. So get your clothes on that are okay to get messy or a smock because you're gonna need it. We are using paint and we're gonna make it fizzy and fun. So go get that going. Good job. Good listening everyone, I love it. All right, in your kit, you're gonna have this shamrock and it's gonna be a template, so you might need help cutting unless you're a super good cutter, or if you're just learning, and that's fine too. And you're gonna wanna cut this out onto green paper, okay? So you can do that with help, or you can try to do it all by yourself, or you can do both. I already cut one. I'm ahead of the game, yeah. So we're gonna take this and we are gonna make it even more green. So we're gonna put it, if you have a little tray to work with, that would be the best idea. So if you have a tray or a baking pan, because it can be washed, it won't stain, it should be fine. That would be the best idea. I think you should do that. Why don't you grab one of those or see if your big person can help you. Good job. We're just gonna put your shamrock right inside, just like that, right inside, right like that. And I am going to grab something really quick. I'm just gonna grab these. I have some paper plates handy. I just wanna, there, I'm just gonna set this up like that so that you can just see a little bit better. See, I'm just gonna angle it up. That's it. All right, in your kit, you have that template that I showed you, the shamrock, and some green paper. And actually the shamrock's gonna be on the green paper, so you just have to cut it right out, okay? Then you're going to have, I'm gonna have some baking soda in a baggie for you. You're gonna have a little thing of green paint. And I'm even gonna send home one of these things, which is called a little pipette, okay? This is gonna help you. You're gonna need this. You'll see why, I'll show you. And I'm also gonna send you home a little popsicle stick, all right? Those will be in your kit to help you out, and I'll show you why. All right, the baking soda that's gonna be in your kit will already be measured out, but I did not measure it, so I'm gonna scoop it out and count it out right now, okay? We are going to need 3 tablespoons. This is a tablespoon. So I'm gonna scoop out 3 of these. 1, 2, and 3. There we go. So I just put those here. So you're gonna have that already measured out. You can just dump your whole bag of your baking soda right into your paint cup if you want. Then we'll use this to stir it together. So you're gonna mix your paint with the baking soda, okay? Mix. It makes it really chunky. Plus I just breathed some in and it doesn't taste very good when you breathe it in. Super chunky. All right, look at that. It's almost like a Play-Doh. Made it that chunky. Now is the fun part. Now's the fun part. Yay! Fun. Okay. Now we get to Now we get to use your fingers. Look at that, fingers. It's like you just get to pick it right up, and you get to kind of smear it all over. Paint your shamrock with it. So you're making your green shamrock even greener. I'm not sure if that's a word, so I'm gonna even more green. Smear it all over. There we go, all right. It's very chunky paint, that is for sure. All right, and you're probably gonna turn green. So what kind of animals do we know that are green? Crocodiles. Yes, good one. So we're just smearing it, and you can smear as much as you want. You can make it super smeared. Have this stuff everywhere, yay! Oh yeah, you could use 2 hands. Kind of feels, it's very soft. It kind of feels nice to play with. You could even just, yeah. All right. Yeah, enough of that. Okay. What I did not do is bring something to clean my fingers with. Give me a second while you're thinking of more green animals. What else is green? Some dinosaurs were green. Yeah, good. Lizards. Wow, we got some smart ones in the crowd. Nice job. All right. So lizards, crocodiles, alligators, dinosaurs. Oh, there's birds that are green. The grass is green. Trees are green. Look at what else. St. Patrick's Day, leprechauns. Okay. Enough of that. Now's the fun part, everybody. You're going to use these, and this is what, oh, something else you'll need from home. I'm sorry, I don't think I explained that part. You are a big person. Hopefully, you guys have some of this at home. Vinegar. Okay, this is a super important part of the fizzy part of this painting project, okay? I poured some of this vinegar into this cup. That's what's in here, okay? Then I'm going to use this. So you have to squeeze it first. You can squeeze it. See how it's squeezing? Squeeze it and then put it into the vinegar water and then let it go and it fills up. Let me just get a little bit closer and see if I can show you a little bit closer. Okay, so squeeze. Oh, I just squeezed it out. Okay, squeeze, put it in there, and then watch, it's filling up. I'm letting it go. Now I'm not going to squeeze again because if I squeeze again, it squirts it out. So I'm squeezing and then letting it fill. And then I'm going to leave it full because I want to squirt it out onto my shamrock. Let's see what happens. Squirting. Oh my goodness, this is so cool. I'm going to do it again. And then I'm going to get closer to the camera because I don't know how well you can see this from the camera, from the table here. So you can even hear it fizzing. It's like soda pop. All right, you ready? Watch. Here it goes. You see that? How cool. That is your project, everybody. This is totally fun. Now, here we go again. I'm just going to squeeze it all over my entire paper. Can you hear it? Here we go again. There. Ah, that's so neat. Fizzing, fizzing. And I'm just going to keep going because it's fun. Can you hear that and see it? It's fizzing at the bottom. Oh, that one did good. See that? Oh, yeah. So that's so fun, everybody. That is what you get to do. And then if it's like super chunky still and it's not all fizzing up, if you have a paintbrush or even if you want, your fingers were already dirty anyway, you can kind of spread it around more with your paintbrush. But that's it. And then when you're done with all the fizzy fun, spread this all around. There we go, because I had a lot of chunks in mine. Mine was super chunky, but it was cool. All right, so I'm just going to take that like that, and then we can pick this up, and then I could just let this dry and then hang it up. Yay! But I'll make sure and put my name on it so I can remember that it's mine. But isn't that so neat? I'm actually going to use, I'm going to put it here on this towel to dry. You guys can put it wherever your big person thinks is a safe place to let it dry. And then if you have any of this left, any of your paint, fizzy paint, you can just, if your big person says it's okay, watch, plop it in there and just play with the fizzy paint and fizz away. You could just play with this. Because look at how fun is that. Can you still hear it, guys? This is so fun. Anything with baking soda and vinegar is fun, right? But to make a picture out of it too, like doubles the fun. Ooh, you hear it? You could hear it and see it. Did you see those bubbles? Bubbles! So, anyway, that is the fun that we have for you today, you guys. You have fun doing the St. Patrick's Project. You guys have a good St. Patrick's Day. And don't forget to clean up, everybody. You can help your big person clean up. Wash your hands really well. If you use soap and water and you do it for your 20 seconds, which means you're singing a song, it should come right off. All right, you guys have fun. I'll see you later.